sa kanilang matchup, and in the first quarter they went at it head to head, but in the second quarter both of them cooled off. Let's see what they can do in the second half.
Si Eric Dawson, gaya ng binabanggit po namin ni Quinto, siya yung mainit na nagsimula, pero mas hindi nakakala itong dalawang import na ito. Samantala Ron J. Buenape once again same starting five para sa kupunan ng Meralco, the way they started in the first quarter. Pero itong Global Port may konting pagbabago with JP Belenchon magsisimula dito sa ating second half. Japet Aguilar, kinukudkod doon ni Cliff Hodge, ilalapit, tinutok, ayaw pa rin pumasok si Hodge pa ang makakakuha ng rebound. Timberlake, opting to pass sa corner. Ito po si Sandy Salvacion, iikot muli dito si Timberlake. Timberlake hindi makapasok dito kay John Mercado. So ang pasa ang bola, bibigay kay Dawson. 7 seconds sa shot clock, kailangan na nilang umatake. Cliff Hodge, napayungan doon ni Japet Aguilar. May foul pa si Hodge sa loose ball. Then after the halftime break.
Naku, Rado, if you're talking about bad vibes, yan ang lumabas sa huddle ng Global Port. Coach Junel Baculi nanlalambot sa hinayang habang sinasabihan ng kanyang mga players to stick to the game plan. So mukhang challenge para sa kanya na hugutin kung sino ang iinag sa Global Port. Sa Meralco side naman, Coach Ryan Gregorio says magkakumpiyansa sa mga tira nila. Back to you.
Naku, ayan, para sumunod na kagad yung Global Port. Yung sa kanilang plano. Ito si Japet Aguilar, umiskor kagad ng 2 puntos para lumapit naman ng kupunan ng Global Port. Down by only 5. Eric Dawson, hahagod. Bawi, yung 2 puntos.
Kita natin si Dawson again with that jump hook. Japet Aguilar unable to stop that. I think they'll need a Morgan on Dawson and not Aguilar. He was caught in the switch.
1-1, dalawang import at the low post. Sly Morgan, ang kanyang hook shot. Mintes, tapikan, makukuha. Muli nitong si Morgan. Morgan, using the baseline, layup na Mintes. That kinito sapagkat yung alam mo itong si Sean Mercado, type of player na can actually command respect, ano, at yung kanyang leadership ay ganun-ganun lamang niya ipakita on the hardcore. Pero dito, hindi pa natin nararamdaman yan.
Hindi, not only that. I think Sol Mercado, kaya niyang depensa ni Chris Timberlake. I think he should attack that defense. Oh, here's an offensive rebound. Easy points from Eric Dawson. Inside position.
Well, earlier, he was guarded by a double team na persistent namin yung tira, but Eric Dawson not giving up. Pumasok yung kanyang 2 puntos to restart his scoring here in the second half of play now with 15 points. Sly Morgan misses. Ang bola makukuha ni Belenchon. Belenchon pinagdalawahan, umikot sa loob. Japet Aguilar. Mindis yung tira, pero yung payong nitong si Eric Dawson, yung hampang 6 points din nakalamangan nitong Toronto Dogs. Pumasok naman itong tira nitong si Japet Aguilar. The 5th point para dito kay Japet Aguilar. Timberlake against Sol Mercado. Of course, kung taga-Meralco itong Sol Mercado ngayon, Global Port na kanyang uniforme. Sundays, itong si Ron J. Buenape against the import. Morgan, Ipinege, Ipinasa. Cliff Hodge doing the reverse. Ayaw para si Eric Dawson and Don for the putback.
And again, Dawson making a living out of that shaded area.
Got it, the beat, pulls up for the 3. Ayaw. Buwak agad ni Ron J. Buenape. Umaratrat. Mga titira, papasa sa loob, pero tingnan natin kung natatawa sa goaltending.
Pang-bonus free throw para kay Eric Dawson.
This is now the biggest lead para sa kupunan ng Meralco. 13 points na ito kinito with 20 points coming from Eric Dawson.
At yung mga field goals si Eric Dawson, lahat galing sa inside and shaded area.
Japet Aguilar opting to go outside. Pero sa siksikan away from Sunday Salvacion. Although si Santi nakapukol na rin ng mga ilang tres ng first half of play. Si Sol naman ang titigado ng tres. Ayaw. Pero sa offensive rebound, got it a bit with a strong move. Ang nibitong mapagpahinga na naman. Although his team is comfortably on top by 10, 57-47. 8 minutes and 10 seconds to go in the third. Go back to Eric Dawson. Ilap jumper! Simpleng. Even Duranto. May foul pa. Pero braso sa shooting arm. Kompleto pa ang 3-point play. Si Sel Guevara may kwento tungkol dito kay Eric Dawson.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ran Gregorio, Eric Dawson is playing above par. Kaya wala nang hihingi ng kanyang coach kundi consistency. While Eric Dawson hopes to play inspired basketball and he thinks he has the edge kasi close nga daw siya sa mga teammates niya.
Kung may foul, hindi. But there was a foul and that time si Morgan completing the three-point play. You know, he's tough to stop once he makes that move with a jump hook.
Haba eh, no? Tapos sa lalaki ng mga hakbang. Samantala, mintis yung tiro sa labas ni Ron J. At sa tapi ka ng import even with 4 personal fouls. Timberlake. To Salvacion against David. Pull up. Jumper, pabording ayaw. Now it's on Mercado. The Soul Train on the move. Pasalubungin ni Chris Timberlake. Pero yung handoff niya naantala. Makuha ni Timberlake. 4-on-2 situation. Mac Cardona attacking the hoop. Doing the reverse and taking the two. Instant offense kaya na alam. 15 pesos lang. Back to the action. At global court na from the timeout namin ni Shintira. Makuha pa ni Jay Reyes ang rebound. It's back to a 12-point ball game dito.
Take a look at the lineup of Coach Junel Baculi. Ito na ang pinakamatinding lineup niya, no? On the floor. MMDA plus the import and yet not able to get the score. And Mac is just unstoppable at this stage. He's having fun out there. Kita mo, ball fake pa niya. A nice turnaround, rather sort of like a pirouette.
Hindi sinanto yung MMDA. Nasa gitna pa itong si Sylvester eh. Sino pa naman si Mac Cardona pero may bawi naman si Sly Morgan. Totally his 13th point of the game. 6 minutes 15 seconds to go in the quarter. Third quarter mga kaibigan. Sandy Salvacion, itong ipitan ngayon. Si David ang kanyang matay. Now Meralco goes to Mac Cardona. Mac against Japet Aguilar. Pasigsag-sigsag. Napatigil. Kailangan niya ipasa. Traveling ang itatawag. Hindi niya na dapat ibaba yung kanyang kanang paron. Because that would be the third step doon sa kanyang galaw sa loob.
Nandun kasi yung depensa ni Japet Aguilar. Good job by Aguilar stopping that penetration ni Mac Cardona. Will Antonio's in the game for the first time.
Replacing Japet Aguilar. Morgan, kick out. Na kay Gary David. Tres, ayaw pa rin. Tapi ka, rebound makukuha ni J.R. Reyes once again. Handing it off to their point guard, Chris Timberlake. Hindi talaga makalapit-lapit itong mga taga-global board. Effort of course still there, but Chris Timberlake seeing the hole. Ang layup niya, dire-diretso.
Slow reaction on the part of Morgan. Wala na ngang import ang Meralco and Timberlake getting the move on Morgan and scoring the layup.
Chris Timberlake reading the disarray in the defense of global court. Samantalang ito, hirap na ng angulo niya, pero nagkaliwete kahit may kalaliman na, nagawa pa rin ang paraan ni Sly Morgan.
15 points by Morgan, but he's got to do his job defensively. He's known as a block shot artist. Dapat ipakita niya yung skill niya in protecting the rim.
Reynolds Nata, pinagdalawang points, scoreless here in the third quarter. Pala Meralco may bola, lamang sila ng 12, nakawala at nakakuha nito si Willie Miller. Opting to pass, all along the layup.
2-on-1 situation, yan ang kailangan ng Meralco. Tighten up on defense, then race to the other side for easy 2 points.
Sweet combination of the M&M Miller at itong si Mercado sa backcourt ng Global Port Matampiel. Hugnatan against Antonio, banggaan sila dyan, fake. Dito si Hugnatan sa kaliwa, punta sa kanan ng hookshot namin din. But Chris Timberlake getting the second chance para sa Meralco Bolts. High pick. Ginamit ito si Chris Timberlake. May iwanan. Opting to pass. Sunday for 3. Ayaw pumasok. But Willie Miller with a counter attack. Tumatakbo ang mga global port. Gary David. Hinawakan doon ni Chris.
Very quiet basketball here. Ang kanyang presence, hindi natin na-feel, no? Only 7 points for Mercado. You need to bring up that intensity level. He's still on the floor. Now he's up against Chris Ross.
Diba nga, kaya sila dinala dito to make some explosions and some noise, ano? Pero tahimik na tahimik. Samantala, muntik nang mawala yung bola sa una ng Meralco, pero naisalba ni Hugnatan After the pass by Chris Ross, ang atake naman Mac Cardona, 6 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Tatlong dinaanan. Pugnatan ng libre pero kinapos yung kanyang tira. Mac for the second chance. Pumasok. Mac Cardona is definitely feeling it tonight. Dito. Alam niya na kaya nga, naipagpag niya na yung kamalasan niya in the last 2 games. Imagine. Now he has 22 after averaging only 2.5 points in the last 2 games of Meralco. Global Port. Kay Will Antonio, ang tres niya. O, dalawa lamang, nakahapa. But that's a long two for Will Antonio. 3 minutes and 13.
Morgan na nakahanap kay Will Antonio.
Mas Mac talagang gagamitin yung kanyang gana dito sa larong ito. He will challenge itong si Willie Miller. Tatlong pumantay. Libre ngayon si Hugnatan. Ang jumper ayaw pumasok. And dito naman si Gary David against 3 defenders. Hindi na maghihintay. Kakayanin ni El Granada. Pasok ang kanyang
Ross, si Sol Mercado, gusto niyang sulitin ang kanyang playing time para i-apply whatever he learned from Mercado nung teammates pa sila. At kanina nga sa first half, pinahinga niya ang kanyang kaliwang binte na nabugbog in the past games, Rado.
Oo, kaya pala hindi nag-start itong si Chris Ross.
Tsaka playing sparing minutes, ha? Nabibigyan ng extended minutes ka si Chris Timberlake in place of Chris Ross.
At kita mo naman, hindi ganun katulad ngayong gabi itong si Chris Ross. Mantala, Ron J. Dikit-dikit sa kanya itong si Gary David. Running jumper, wala. Pero ang bola, tingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta. To Eric Dawson, jumper niya, kinapos. Maganda yung pagka-challenge doon. Ito si Gary David. Willie Miller now on the attack para sa Batang Pierre.
Malaking pagkakataon ito for Global to be able to inch closer into that lead ng Meralco. And they go to the low post. Morgan against the local.
Na-persa, mag-cross-court pass. Wala kasi kumangat, wala lumalapit sa kanyang kalaban niya.
Now they let's take a quick shot.
2 seconds to go. Ang jumper, 3-pointer to si Willie Miller. Hindi na naman pumasok. So last 2 minutes in the third quarter, bola po ng kupunan ng Meralco. Chris Ross. Sumalubong sa kanya si Will Antonio na, but he will give it to the import, Eric Dawson. Dawson, one hop, ang kanyang semi-hook Mintes. Ang rebound makukuha ni Antonio now to Gary David. Pulling up a jumper for 3! Swak na swak! Gary David's turn.
He's got 10 points in this quarter. Nakaka 19 points si Gary David. This is just a 4-point lead by Meralco despite the 22-point explosion in Mac Cardona. Global is in the game.
In this conference, Gary David is averaging 21 points ngayon. May 19 na, third quarter pa lang. Chris Ross, jumper mula sa giliran, tumama sa tangilinan. At si Gary David hindi nasalbay sikan doon. Si Will Antonio at si J. Reyes. Kala itira, Ron J. Naku, wala man lang tinamaan doon sa kanyang desperation heave.
Well, the last 2 offensive attempts ng Meralco mukhang tumindi ang depensa ng Global Port. And I kind of attribute that to the presence of ni Will Antonio playing good defense against Eric Dawson.
Oh, nabigla na lamang natahimik itong si Eric Dawson. Pagpasok na ito si Will Antonio. Antonio naman. Nakita si Sol Mercado. Looking for the import. Pero nasundutan na J. Reyes.
It's just to telegraph. Alam ng Meralco saan mapupunta yung bola.
Mac naman on the attack against Sol Mercado. Dating sparring partner niya nung nasa Meralco. Of course, ang iba pang pangalan nung kanilang kupunan. Ngayon po ay nasa Meralco na at maglalaro para sa B-Boys. Dawson, nakita. Chris Timberlake, ang jumper niya. Patas na patas. 6 points para kay Chris Timberlake. Really enjoying the minutes. Ika nga na ibinigay sa kanya ito si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Back to 6-point lead. Nagkatikari David. Bomba pa, turn around. Wala sa tapigan. Mapupunta si Meralco ang bola. Hirap yung tira mo si Gary David. Pero naitira pa rin eh. Patay na po ating shot clock. 16 seconds to go in the quarter. Chris Timberlake, pinapalapit. Ito na si Mac Cardona. He gets the leather. Mac against Willie. Crossover. Running hook Mintes. Makuha ni Willie Miller. 1 second to go. Kailangan itira. Miller!